In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto between networks in the MetaMask mobile app using a bridge. First, open the MetaMask app on your phone and unlock your wallet. At the top of the screen, check which network you're on now, for example, Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, or Polygon. Remember, simply switching networks in MetaMask does not move your funds. You must use a bridge. Now, at the bottom of the MetaMask app, tap the browser icon. In the search bar, type in Open a Trusted Bridge or the official MetaMask Portfolio/bridge page. When the site loads, tap Connect Wallet and choose MetaMask. Next, on the bridge page, select the From Network where your tokens are now, the To Network where you want them to go. The token and amount you want to bridge, tap Review or Bridge. Then MetaMask will pop up a confirmation screen. Check the fees and all details and tap Confirm. After the transaction is processed, switch to the destination network in MetaMask, and you'll see your tokens there. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.